Today, on this edition of my channel, we're going to go ahead and pick up where we left off, and now part 3. Let us finish up the rest of U.S. Aircraft Aviation Expo. Coming right up next here on the Michael Carter Show. Alright, ladies and gents, I'm in the SR22, again wrapping up the show. That's all the space you got back there for 2 more people. This is a 4-seater. That's the passenger seat beside me. Let's set this in. Those are the people behind you on my left to y'all's right. People of Cirrus. So, again, those are good people. Tell them I sent you. Again, thank y'all for the donut. Alright, but the Avionics is on. Let me flip the camera around, because they weren't on the Techno, so. Okay, ladies and gents. Here's this clean cockpit. G1000s. Set auto closet. I'm left-handed, but you would right-hand in this case if you're in the left seat. Flaps, oxygen, fuel tanks on both, turn boost pump on, don't take off power landing, switch of fuel tanks, power mixture, cruise seats must be locked in position. Yep, it's a bunch of buttons, folks. Not as much as in a commercial plane, Airbus, Boeing, Airbus, ERJs, CRJs, like I said, thermostat's right there for the AC. You won't need it once you travel with climb and cruise altitude from takeoff. But on the ground, it definitely does come in handy. So, that's it. There you have it. I would have shown as far as how to climb in, but see if I can show that. The seat's already pushed back. This is all the leg room and space I have down there. Are the rudder pedals. Get my feet on them. There. Parking brake right there. And the controls and stuff. Let me get out of it. That's my foot. There's a fire extinguisher down there. Those are the carpet mats at T22. Oh man. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is not the way you get out the plane. You'll see in another video if I put up a blooper or something. See the proper way get out like this and dining. Okay. But you gotta be really careful. If you see no step, it means you're not supposed to step on that or the flaps. Learn that lesson in the hallway in those pipers when I was training. But grab a hold of this here, get in and out. Like that, that's the step you step on. 1 foot, and your other foot down. And then, as I say, do the same thing. Go up here, grab this here, right there. Hold it firmly. Take your right foot, hop up, then your left foot right there. and then jump in. Then, like I said, do the rest of getting in. So yeah, that's it. Let me hop back down. There you have it. So, real quick, let's get in the Vision Jet, and we'll wrap that part up. All right. Gulfstream Entertainment, Michael Carter Studios and Production. Oh yeah, if you enjoy my channel and video, check out these channels and videos.